Hello, this is Marie, and she is the sea gardener. Can I call you like that? She wrote a book, Sea Garden,
yes.
Right?
So
it's about cooking with seaweed, and we're gonna forage some seaweed right now in this beautiful coast. Look at that. Okay, let's go.
that's it. All right.
Smells good.
Nice sparkling on the wall.
Yeah, so we're going down the rocks over there and forage a little bit of seaweed. Never a boring day, really. This is red seaweed,
This is red,
and that's edible.
And this is, both of these are red. There's two different species. This is one type of red,
Yeah.
and this is another type of red, and both.
This is red seaweed. It's typical for Ireland. It's a bit of a symbol and also edible. It's a bit more tough.
Yes.
Okay, this is the second strain of red seaweed and also edible. Crispy and a little bit spicy. Right?
Very good.
Spicy.
Yeah.
So many flavors on one rock.
There you go.
So sea gardening is a little bit time sensitive because the tide is coming back in. So okay, so this looks a little bit like a tire track, and I'm gonna have a taste of that. This one here, that's also seaweed, and it's they call it sea spaghetti. Can you guess why? Picnic by the beach.
Meat, and I formed a different view.
And this is a Dilisk blah blah
Blah.
blah Dilisk blah.
We call laver bread from it.
So yeah, crisp. So when you're watching the next episode of Game of Thrones, which is almost the last, we just have some seaweed crisps. Here at Mother McHugh's, what's the name of the town? Fenner.
Yeah.
And I had to figure out where to find a 15th century castle, and that's called
Dunhill.
Dunhill Castle.
Yeah.
Yeah, and in case you're wondering, that was me doing Irish dance. So yeah, okay, the last part of my destination challenges in Ireland was to find a castle on top of a hill out of the 15th century, and I found out that it's actually the Dunhill Castle, which is right there. It's a ruin now, but it's beautiful on top of a hill and has obviously a wonderful view. So thank you, Ireland. It's been absolutely amazing. 5 epic challenges, different places around the country. Thanks so much for helping me, for the pints, sláinte, and yeah, I really hope to come back again soon.